Hello friends, it's me again. My name remains Philip. So today I'll be discussing a business idea that I came up with. So I came up with this business idea because of the question that I've always been asked by my audience, my followers and my subscribers. Both offline and online, my friends and followers have always been asking me, Philip, what kind of business strategy can you teach us so that we can learn or we can apply it to our businesses both online and offline and also benefit from it as well? So I haven't thought of this question deeply, so I came up with a business strategy that can benefit those who most especially do their business online. So how did I came up with this business strategy? It's very easy and very simple. Most of my friends on the WhatsApp phone, especially the female friends, they have businesses online. They have products they sell online. Every time I go to their status, I always see this business, see their product on their status, scrolling. In most cases, I find more than 10, 20 products on their WhatsApp status. And after seeing that very day, coming back the next day, you come to see that you are not seeing those pictures again. You are not seeing those products again. And the next product you are seeing are new products. And it came to a time that I decided to, interview one of those sellers, one of those persons posting those products online. And I was like, hey friend, how are you? And she said she was okay. And I only see you posting products on your WhatsApp status. So if I may ask, what about those WhatsApp, those products you posted yesterday on your WhatsApp status, where are they? And she was like, oh, those products they are in my phone, so whenever customers want it, I can just go back and download it from my phone and send it to the customers. And I was like, okay, what about if I have a desire of purchasing that product and I needed a picture and you don't have it anymore in your phone? How will you be able to get that product? And she was like, discussing, talking. I was like, okay, that's very good, but I tried to make her understand there's a better way she can be able to do that, and people will be able to patronize her at any given time and be able to find any of the product that she sells at any given time. So the business I came up with is a kind of business that will benefit you if you apply it. If you are online seller, a digital marketer, when you sell products like clothes, like shoe, this kind of business idea is what will benefit you. So I want you to stay to the end of this video and pay close attention so that you'll be able to apply these things, understand it and apply it into your business and begin to make more money. So I don't know, if I continue to talk about it, I would like to bring a case study like Jumia. Jumia is a place where people sell their product. Different marketplaces have their product in Jumia website. So the business strategy I would like to talk about today is likewise like Jumia, e-commerce business where you can sell your products online. I was thinking, instead of you posting your products on WhatsApp group and losing them after 24 hours of the day, why not create an e-commerce website where you can always have your products and have your website link, so that whenever anybody wants to buy anything, they just have to click. Even though you don't have app at this time, you can use your domain to advertise your business. Whenever people click your domain, it will just go straight to your website and they will see your product in full and the price. And even while you are sleeping, people can just buy from you. So this kind of business is a business that will benefit those who always post on WhatsApp group. When you upload your pictures to your website, it will be there for a very long time until the goods or the product is being sold. So building this website is very easy. All you just need is to get a domain. You can get a domain as cheap as 5,000 naira for a year, and also get a laptop, a personal computer that you can use to create this website. And it's just going to take a few days to do this, and it will last forever for you, so that whenever a product is being sent to you from your manufacturer or from the phone seller, however you get the product, you can always upload it into your website and add your domain, the link to your website, to your WhatsApp status, so that after showing some of your products on WhatsApp status, the next one is going to show your domain, and people click on it. Invite people to click on it, and when they click on it, they are going to see your website, your beautiful website, and want to buy from you. So it's very easy to do, so you don't really need to spend much while you are having this thing. So my subsequent video, I'll be going on a project where I will be able to build a website like this. So I'm going to take you on a tour on a website like this that I will be building in the future, so that you can see how beautiful it's going to look and how easy it's going to look as well. So you don't really need to kill yourself about it. So I'll be going on a project and I'll be building an e-commerce business where I can be able to upload, my product into it, and if possible, I'm going to advertise it, teach you how you can be able to advertise it so that you can have more sales. So you see people on Facebook advertising their business. Once you click on the link, it takes you to their website, and you can see the product and purchase it from them. So we are going to do something like that. It's very easy. So this website is going to have the home page, is going to have the product page, is going to have the checkout page, is going to have the payment page, and related product page, so that whenever people click on one product, it's going to show them related product. Like if person click on this setting, maybe a cloth, so it's going to show them related products to that cloth. So it's going to be easy. So now this business is a kind of business that will help you benefit even while you are sleeping. So I'm just trying to encourage you who is watching this video now, so that if you are into an e-commerce business, you should try to find a way to upgrade. WhatsApp status will always advertise. It's not scalable. It's only going to advertise your product to a specific kind of people, the numbers you have on your WhatsApp, if you understand me very well. But if you try to create an e-commerce business, you come to learn that publishing your website is going to meet a wide range of people. What am I trying to say? Having your website makes your business scalable. That means it's going to meet a wide range of people, and likely you are going to get enough people to buy from you, and you start making good money. So stop doing WhatsApp business only. Try to find a way to make your business wider. So in this project, I want you to follow up with me. This is just an overview of the project that I'm about to enter, and subsequently you are going to see the video that talks more, the practical video of how this website is being built, or how this website that I'm about to approach, how it's low. In the e-commerce website project, I'm going to be building it with WordPress script. So WordPress is a kind of script that makes building website very easy. We have scripts kind of website, we have code website. So I can do any of this. I can write programming to build a well-functioning responsive website, and I can also use WordPress to build a well-functioning website as well. So code is very hard, not everybody can be able to fit in just short period of time. So it's going to take you a long time to learn how to code to build a responsive website. So I can do that, and the one I'm going to focus on is using WordPress. WordPress, everyone who have the desire to have a website can easily learn how to use WordPress to build a website quickly. If you go to your browser and you check about WordPress, you come to see that over 40,000 people, over 40,000 websites in the world today uses WordPress. That simply means every website you click on in your phone is simply built with WordPress. So it's a trust and affordable script that you can use to build your website. So I'll be approaching this project with using WordPress. So it's going to be safe for me, and people can be able to use their card to purchase from this website. So it's not something that you'll be afraid of, like, is it safe enough, is it secure? No. So I'll make it a surety that anyone can pay with their card or whatever means they want to pay with. So it's going to be simple and it's going to be reliable. All right, stay with me as we begin this project, and I assure you that you are going to enjoy it. And if you want to learn more about how to build it, I will tell you what to do after then. So the theme I'll be using for this WordPress website is going to be Divi theme. So on your WordPress, we have a lot of themes that are free that you can use. And most of these themes, when you are using them, what happens? The most important thing you want to do with those themes, you will have to pay to do them. For example, if you want to add cards, if you are using these free themes, if you want to add cards to your website, you will have to pay for that plugin to be able to use cards on your website. But with this Divi theme that I'm going to give you is an expensive theme that I've already bought with my money. So you have it, and that's what I'm going to be. It's very expensive. You can see it here. This is the plan for 1 year. In this is a forever plan, so I have a lifetime plan. That is what I'll be using in this project. So it has everything. So nothing, when you have it, you don't have to pay for anything. It's very free. You have templates that you can just import to your website, and your website will just be ready. So that's what I'll be using. The Divi themes is a theme I'll be using. So I believe you get the logic. So this project that I'm about to embark on is going to have 3 episodes. The first episode, I'm going to do the back end, set up the back end of the website, like the email, like the autoresponder, the forwarder, the file manager, setting up things there, and also using Sotaculous app installer to import or install my WordPress script. And also my Divi, setting up my Divi and creating the front end and the home page. So that's what my first episode is going to comprise of. And the second episode is where I'm going to, set up my product page and also my cart page and also other basic functionalities in it. And lastly, I'm going to do the checkout page. And also, I'm going to teach you about how you can be able to advertise the link on the website. So it's going to be very easy. I'll show you that this project is going to help your business to go like boom, like you will be like, wow. So it's going to help you do well and begin to make more cash. So if you like this business idea, stay with me in this project. So in summary of everything, what I'm trying to encode into you is that your business needs to be scalable. It's don't just only depend on WhatsApp status to advertise your business. You need to build an e-commerce website like Jumia, like Konga, like Gigi, like Amazon, like AliExpress, so that people from everywhere around the world can be able to go into your website and see your products and buy it at any time. You ship it to them. You make cool money. So if you love this business idea, stay with me in this project. Alright, my name is Romain Philip. If you love what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.